So yeah, life is unpredictable and so do the preparation of any competitive exam because हमें नहीं पता कि हम अपना 100% एफर्ट दे रहे हैं जिस एग्ज़ाम को क्या वो अगले साल हमारा क्लियर होगा या नहीं. So I think the life and the exam is very relatable in terms of unpredictability. So पिछले साल when I took my first job for NEET, this was the room and this is the hostel room जो मैंने चूज़ किया for my preparation and I was hell motivated and I was like कि इस बार तो नीट में जो वो एक सीट है वो मेरा ही होगा at any cost and this was my initial thought when I came here and started my preparation. But here comes the twist. After studying for many months and before welcoming winters, I was getting little disattracted and I was getting strongly attracted to all the gossip happening in the hostel and all the gossip happening in girls' life. And you know, that is what very interesting. But that ruined my year. बेसिकली मैंने कभी प्रिपरेशन छोड़ा नहीं बट मैंने बाद में जब मेरा 11th और 12th का सिलेबस कंप्लीट हो गया तो प्रिपरेशन छोड़ा नहीं था बट आई वॉज नॉट एन आइडियल स्टूडेंट टू गेट सिलेक्टेड इन नीट बिकॉज आई वॉज preparing for NEET, but along with that, I was involved in many other things like eating junk, gossiping, and solving the. That's what happened when I get to go in my NEET exam. I found physics way difficult because physics was already not strong for me. Physics was not strong for me, and मैंने अपना एक basic level create किया था. But the exam was not for the basic person like me. It was way tougher जितना मैं पढ़ के गई थी. So when I just opened physics, I knew my results that I am not going to crack NEET this year. And the thought जो मेरे को ड्रॉप ईयर के फर्स्ट सेकेंड डे प्रिपरेशन पे था कि इस साल तो नीट मेरा ही क्रैक होगा और मेरा नहीं होगा तो किसका होगा. दैट थॉट जस्ट पता नहीं वो कहीं खो गया बिकॉज आई वॉज सीइंग माई फ्यूचर कि मैं जो कर रही हूँ इससे सिलेक्शन तो नहीं होगा. So after I came from my exam, I just cried, and you know what? I didn't cry for one time. I cried for 2 to 3 times for that one exam because I was मतलब it was my career deciding factor कि अभी मैं एक साल मेहनत किया अब मैं कॉलेज में जाऊँगी I'll enjoy that फेस्ट ये फेस्ट वो फेस्ट. बट अब मेरे सामने एक क्वेश्चन था कि इस साल भी मेरा एग्ज़ाम नहीं होगा. सो वॉट विल आई डू नेक्स्ट? विल आई चूज़ इट? विल आई नॉट? एंड वॉट टू डू नाउ? And after this and after thinking about my preparation, my whole journey, analyzing my mistakes, and after doing whatever I can do and analyzing all the things whole my year, I have decided to give myself a final chance to prove myself, a final chance to reshape my preparation, a final chance to give that a perfect touch to my whole year preparation that was little bit lost in previous years. And so that I have here started my preparation, and today is 12th day of that and 12th day of taking lectures, studying, making notes again, revising that things again. But you know, sometimes a final chance is great start of new beginning. Thank you so much. Bye.